manufacturing for Microsoft Dynamics AX is built on 4 pillars: mapping the lean organization, planning and scheduling, Kanban and pull-based execution, and costing for lean manufacturing. The work cell scheduling can be done for process jobs of production Kanbans. The scheduling instrument is the Kanban scheduling board. The cycle time performance indicator helps monitoring the schedule based on the calculation of actual cycle times. The scheduling for lean manufacturing bases on the configuration of work cells and activities. Scheduling work cells. The work cell capacity. Kanban scheduling in Microsoft Dynamics AX use the capacity defined for a work cell. A work cell is a resource group that has a calendar and a lean capacity definition assigned. Both assignments are date and time effective, what allows accurate configuration of the work cell capacities at any point in time. The capacity for a work cell for Kanban scheduling can be either expressed as throughput or time. A throughput capacity is a quantity for a specific period of time. This period can be a standard workday, a week, or a month. The length of a standard workday is defined for each calendar. The actual daily capacity for throughput per standard workday is calculated based on the calendar valid for the specific workday. If the capacity is expressed in time, a job loads its portion of cycle time on the schedule, not the complete working time. A Kanban schedule can be configured to be scheduled in periods of days or weeks. The planning principle of jobs within a work cell schedule is the job sequence. Manual scheduling. For manual scheduling, the Kanban scheduling board is used. It works on drag and drop principle and allows maintaining of the schedules for the work cells. Automatic planning. To avoid manual scheduling activities, Kanban rules can be configured for automatic planning. The automatic planning quantity of the Kanban rule specifies how many unplanned Kanban jobs for a specific work cell and Kanban rule need to be created before the automatic planning starts. This allows to configure the Kanbans with product quantities below the economic batch size, as automatic planning will always plan multiple jobs of the same Kanban rule in a sequence. Automatic planning tries to plan each job to the period needed to fulfill the job on time according to its due dates and time, and the every part every interval days of the production flow model. If the determined period does not have enough capacity to load the jobs, the following reactions can be configured. Postponed. All jobs of the planning batch are postponed to a period with enough capacity. Distributed. The jobs are distributed to periods with enough capacity job by job. Cancelled. The automatic planning is cancelled and the jobs remain unplanned. Overload. The work cell period is overloaded and requires manual interaction from the planner. The Kanban scheduling board is the instrument for the planner to maintain the schedules of the work cells. The scheduling board consists of multiple areas. The schedule. The schedule area showing the scheduled periods. Each job is represented by a Kanban job symbol. The shape of the symbol displays the job status. The size of the job in the period is proportional to the capacity the job has planned to consume. Icon overlays are displayed if the job is overdue or marked as a priority job. The color of a job is defined by the lean scheduling group assigned to an item. The scheduling group can be configured for an item in general or for an item and a specific work cell. Each period displays a summary of the total available capacity for the period and the actual loaded capacity. The cycle time performance indicator gives a graphical indication that compares the actual cycle time of the work cell, calculated based on the completed jobs within the period of actual cycle time, with the required cycle time of the activity, calculated on the tagged in cycle time configuration of the production flow version. The Kanban quantity overview displays the Kanban rules related to the activities using the selected work cell. For each Kanban rule, all active Kanban jobs are displayed. To be removed from the overview, a Kanban must be declared as empty. The Kanban quantity overview calculates the planning urgency level for each rule based on the number of planned and unplanned jobs and the minimum alert level of the Kanban rule. The Kanban quantity overview control displays the most urgent rule to consider for planning at the top of the list. The minimum and maximum alert levels cause a red background on the Kanban rule when violated. To simplify the planner's work, the Kanban quantity overview can be opened in a filtered view on the Unplanned tab, showing only those Kanban rules that have Kanban jobs that are not planned. Work cell scheduling in lean manufacturing from Microsoft Dynamics AX is a new instrument to support throughput scheduling with a new visual approach.